everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anmol, and to all those who know me, I'm an illustrator, a coder, and a bullet journalist. So now I've decided to step into the world of reading journal, and today I'll be sharing with you my flip through of the reading journal I'll be using for 2021. So I've set it up using all of these supplies and I wanted to share them all with you. These are pretty much the very basic supplies I use every month. Now I wanted to set up shoot a plan with me video, but there were some constraints with the phone's memory, so I couldn't, and I decided that why not go for a flip through. This is like my favorite brush pen from Faber-Castell, and all of these brush pens have certain shade names. So this one's beige red, there's an apricot one, and all of these are one of my favorites. Okay, so as you can see, I started off with the flip through. This is my introduction page where I've written my name and I have drawn the Archer and Olive ampersand here because I really loved it. So for my cover page, I went on with a very pretty illustration. There's a quote I've written which says, "A heart full of books, it can hold big dreams and love." And I really wanted to keep it a bookish theme. So I made it like this, and then I decided to go on with the 2021 lettering. And this is like this coffee and books kind of illustration is something I've been doing a lot in my own illustration account, so I decided to incorporate it there. Also, there's an Instagram account called Leela Journals. So for the room of my book spread, I wanted to create a shelf thing, and I found it she made it perfectly, so I decided to take inspiration from her. And these are my keys. So there'll be one for fiction, one for non-fiction, and one for young adult. That's all I read these days. And since I went for a room vibe, I made these kind of roomy things like a plant stuff and a dresser and everything. So I really love that spread. That's one of my favorites. Then I decided to go for a challenge yourself spread. Like reading journal people, they go for a Goodreads challenge, but I don't, because I know I'm not very consistent with reading these days, and I really wanted to keep it minimal, so I kept it only till 50 books. That washi you just saw was from Journaling Angel, and I really love her account, and I thank her for sending me all of that amazing stuff. So this is my key. I'll be filling in all of the books I read. If it's a physical book, I'll be filling it with a mustard color. Then if it's an ebook, it'll be brown. If it's an audio book, then it'll be another shade of beige. And if it's another some method, it'll be another shade of beige, because that's all I use. So I'll be filling this note thingy here later on, and I decided to go for a very minimal illustration with chai, biscuit, and books, some books, coffee, and like my phone. Pretty much all the basic things I do need when I'm reading, because when I'm reading audiobooks, I need all of these. They're kind of sleepy, but I'm trying to get hang of them. So I decided to read two books which I thought were important to me. That's Untamed and Atomic Habits. And those are kind of things which tend to give me hope, and I decided to go for reading Untamed. I'm reading it right now, and I kind of like it very much, because I've loved Glennon's work before as well. So this is kind of a very interesting thing for me. Now I decided to go for a bookshelf vibe here, and there's a board that says statistics. The statistics here mean the book I'm reading, the author, the start, and the end date. There are no more statistics I'm going to track, like the reading stars and everything. Pretty much you can find a lot of stuff when you search for a reading journal setup, but that's very customizable to me. Now that little flower you see is from Some Kind Words. I really love her stickers. And since I went for a bookish vibe, an artsy book kind of vibe, I went for this canvas thing. These are my books to read, which are like different defined in different categories. So this one is for non-fiction, the previous one was for fiction and young adult together. So this is my quote of the quarter. This is kind of personal to me because I kind of feel like it's mantra for the next 4 months I'm going to use. So that AUC is inspired from Kelly from with KX on Instagram. Like, she did a theme back in, I don't know, last year. So that theme made me just go for this bookshelf one, and I decided to go for that A because I loved it. Now I kind of go for a lot of hauled and gifted books. Like, I am a person who just who just buys stuff, so I wanted to keep a track of all of those things, and therefore I used this washi tracker, like this washi bordered page, to track it all. Now I'm a very lazy reader. I mean, some days I'm going to read for 2 hours, some days I'm not even going to read. So I decided to be consistent with my pages I've read tracker. So this is like the thing I'm going to do from now on. Most of you who follow me on Instagram know that I'm a part of a book club, and that book club is like, we decide upon a monthly book and then we read it on. So Aarti sent me this amazing package with all of this vintagey vibes, and that Anmol you see is from the envelope of the cover, like the package itself. I kind of thought it'd be a nice personalization, because sometimes personalization is all that matters in your own journal. So that empty page you saw was something I'll fill up later. I don't know what I'm going to do with it right now. Now this is how I'm going to write about every book I've written. So that will be the medium, then there'll be the ratings, then there'll be what I feel, and then there'll be the number of days I needed it to finish. So this is, I'm using tabs right here, and these are not the finished tabs yet, but I think I've drawn them pretty well, and I'll just edit them later on. So the first thing I read was Carry On Warrior, and then I started off with this journal idea because I wanted to keep track of everything I've read and everything I feel that it's important in a book. Now this is a kitchen based theme, and I really did this illustration in my illustration account and wanted to incorporate it here. Now I decided to go for a calendar in my book journal spread, because I think it's very nice to see if I read that day or not, what I felt and not. And this is the bookish overview, since I've read 2 books in May and I'll be reading more. So I've like kept, this whole spread for the overview, like the one I did previously for like the Carry On Warrior spread. And then this is the quotes of the month. Whatever quotes I like, I'll dump them here, and then I'll write about the book personally. So these are my tabs for the 2 books. And I guess that's all for my book journal. I hope you really liked the flip through, because I really liked making it, and it was like one of the best things I did for me in the past few months. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll hope you like it.